Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your account age and type because Roblox's filter changes based on that. Once done, open Settings and look at Chat and Privacy sections. Make sure you collect precise examples of the censored phrases and note when they happened, with timestamps or screenshots. These details make any appeal clear. Don't try workarounds. Instead, prepare an organized list to submit through official channels so Roblox can reassess your specific case. Next, navigate to Roblox support or use the in-game report function and choose the correct category, account, chat, or content. Explain exactly what you typed when you typed it and on which device, and attach screenshots you collected earlier. This helps moderators reproduce the issue. Once submitted, watch your email for follow-up. Moderators may clarify or request more info. Be patient and responsive, because proper resolution depends on accurate details and official review. To finish, follow the response from support, and if needed, provide additional evidence or ask that the case be escalated. Persistence with clarity helps. Meanwhile, use Roblox-approved channels, groups, private messages, or verified voice features so you can communicate without violating rules. If the issue persists, test the same text on a secondary account or different platform to confirm it's a filter behavior and not a local bug. Troubleshooting tip: don't attempt bypass methods. Instead, document behavior and continue official appeals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.